Hello, this is Ashley from Preston Sweet, and today we're gonna take a stab at this cat eye nail thingy or whatever. Again, I still need a lot of work, and you guys in the comments still have not gave me no advice, and that makes me a little sad because I'm waiting for it. So I did get one gel polish from Born Pretty, which is a good brand from what I've always heard. And it's a rainbow cat eye gel polish. So I'm gonna do a base under it because it's kind of like translucent. You can kind of like see through it, and I don't want it to be translucent, and I want it to be solid. So I put something under it, another layer of gel under it. So after that, we're gonna use that rainbow Born Pretty gel polish, and then we're gonna get to cat eyeing. So after I get that Born Pretty rainbow gel polish, which is so pretty to me, um, I'm working with different cat eye gel magnets, and it seems to be better than the first time I tried, but it's still a work in progress. And I was talking to this girl on TikTok while she was live, and she said it is a science to it, and she's not lying. Like, you have to really play with it. You have to really learn it, and it's a science. It's a lot harder than it looks because, like, on the reels and the shorts, they'll make it look so easy. But I and from a person that has more than one cat eye magnet, it's just it's it's difficult. But I mean, I still think they came out pretty. I just wish I could do more with it. Like, I want to make the designs. I want to make the moons and the hearts and the tigers and the bears and all that. I want to do a lot with it. But the color is pretty. I will say that. So, you know, you just let me know how you think of the nail. I think they came out really beautiful. But I'll let you guys enjoy looking at me messing up my nails with this cat eye magnet, and I'll be back for the ending. So after the top coat and the cuticle oil, this is how they turned out. And yes, they look beautiful. I do see some of the cat eye magnet and see some of what it did. It did a little rainbowish. It could have been better, but hey, I love them. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and bye.